Hello, little artists. Welcome to our colorful adventure where we'll learn the names of colors. Are you ready to explore the wonderful world of colors with us? Let's start with the primary colors, the building blocks of all other colors. This is the color red. Can you say red with me?
Red. Hello, I am red.
This is the color blue. Say blue along with me.
Blue. Hello, I am blue.
And here's the color yellow. Let's say yellow together.
Yellow. Hello, I am yellow.
Let's start with the secondary colors. This is the color orange. Can you say orange with me?
Orange. Hello, I am orange.
This is the color green. Can you say green with me?
Green. Hello, I am green.
This is the color purple. Can you say purple with me?
Purple. Hello, I am purple.
Now, let's have some fun by mixing these colors to create new ones. When we mix red and yellow, we get
orange.
When we mix blue and yellow, we get
green.
And when we mix red and blue, we get
purple.
Fantastic job, young artists. Let's recap the colors we've learned today. We've learned red, blue, yellow, orange, green, and purple. You're amazing color explorers.